In this video, I'll cover how to draw the path of a structure using the RedX Walls app. So first, we'll open up the wall tools and click on Draw Perimeter. And you just click and drag to start drawing out the structure. And then you'll see these measurements here. You can actually select on any of these and set a custom length to get accurate measurements. You'll notice how it automatically snaps into certain different angles, like 45 degrees, 90 degrees. If you wanted a custom angle, you can press on the angle there and, for example, set a value like 33 degrees, and you'll see that update. If ever you make a mistake, you can press the undo button to go back. Once to complete the path, make sure to connect the two blue dots. Once the path is completed, it'll auto-generate your structure.